Nobody actually tells you how you can prepare for a cancer appointment, so I'm going to share some insights that I've heard over the years that will help you if it's your first time round. For context, I'm a doctor helping people to be more empowered when they're dealing with healthcare professionals, and this is especially important in the context of cancer care. So a small disclaimer initially, you need to be really forgiving of yourself through this process. It's extremely overwhelming to have the first few appointments if you're speaking with oncologists. There's a huge amount of complex medical information that's going to be coming your way. There's a lot of emotional stress, a lot of burden, and you're going to have a lot of unanswered questions. So really this advice comes down to having kind of good systems in place that you can fall back on. Be forgiving of yourself if you don't end up capturing everything the first time. The first time around, you want to understand explicitly the type of cancer, the stage and the grade, and that basically breaks down into what is the cancer, where is it, and how is it behaving. That point is really confusing. It's not very well understood by patients, so explicitly ask for the doctor to explain that in easy to understand language. Secondly, always ask for the full breadth of treatment options. There's lots of options available nowadays for treating cancer. You need to be as well informed as possible so you can choose the best option for you. So there will be one treatment option that your doctor recommends in this case, but it's important that you ask them to explain the full range of treatments that are available to you so that you can fully understand and then make that good decision. Thirdly, I don't think it's unreasonable to ask your oncologist if it's worth getting additional tests or a second opinion. Because cancer is so complex and the treatment landscape is changing so rapidly, it might be worth just seeing if there's any additional opinions out there. This appointment is going to be really overwhelming. You won't be able to write your own notes and capture everything, so make sure you bring someone with you. Also be prepared to use a note taker or record the appointment. So we built Advoca to help you do this. It's completely free. You can use it to record your appointments. It'll give you an easy read summary of everything that's been discussed, and we've just added a chat feature so you can ask follow-up questions or questions in advance of the appointment to make sure you're as prepared and as knowledgeable as possible. So is there anything else that you'd recommend? Let me know in the comments.